They saying things, now we barely talking. Tiptoeing, ain't doing no walking. Oh, now we be saying things, we saying things, we saying things, and we barely talking.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Today we are going to do a 90s inspired updo, as you saw in the pictures previous to this. So if you want to see how I did my hair like that, then please stay tuned. Okay, so I have my hair in box braids, as you pretty much know. And this style is really simple. Okay, I have my mirror right here, so I'm going to be looking back and forth in the camera. But let's just get into it. So you're going to need a very stretchy hair tie, okay? Oh, almost. And you are going to need some bobby pins. So I like to get the closed ones, and I like to get the hair pins, okay? So the hair pins, all right? And now first what I'm going to do is I'm going to section my hair off so that I can have the little swoop-de-doop in the front, all right? So I want about that much to be pulled up, and I am just going to section off the front. Make sure you leave some hair up here so that your ponytail can sit high. You want to be able to anchor that. All right, so this is about how much hair I'm going to use for the swoop. We're going to leave that out. Now we're just going to, of course, put the rest in the ponytail. Now, I usually stand up and dip my hair down, so bear with me, please. Okay, so you're gonna wanna bring the ponytail forward all the way, you know, as close as you can to that leave out, and just bring everything up. Gather it kind of as tight as you can. You don't wanna make it too tight where you're snatching your edges out, you know, but, you know, get it tight. Grab your ponytail holder and tie it on there. Tip for putting your braids in a ponytail: pull it, turn it, take the other hand, hold the ponytail, get the other hand, and then pull it through, okay? After you put your ponytail up, please release your edges, okay? Don't be making a ponytail too tight. And I always like to go in and fix my edges so that it's laying down how I want it to. Let's get into the swoop. So you're gonna gather that front section and pull it forward. And then you're just gonna lay it across your forehead. Use your other hand to hold it while you're pulling it. So just hold it. And then you're gonna tuck it behind your ear. While holding it, tuck it behind your ear like that. Comb it and tuck it, comb it and tuck it. Hold this part and bring it up into the ponytail. Switch hands. You wanna make sure you switch hands. And just hold that part. And now you're just going to wrap it around the base using both hands, and I'm wrapping it. And that is how you get your swoop, okay? But now we're just going to secure it with some bobby pins. So you want to secure it in the places that it's like kind of poking out. See here, if you turn here, you can see. You want to flatten it and pin it down. When you use your bobby pin, make sure the ridge part is facing down. Like, make sure that's the part you're pinning onto your hair. So now I'm just going to make sure it's sitting how I want it to be. And I'm going to pin it right here. And I'm going to get another pin. I'm just going to pin down until it feels secure to me. Because we don't want that lifting, right? Okay, that's good enough for me right now. Make sure you pin, pin it until it's secure for you. All right, yeah, because I wanted that to be flat. I want it flat. Okay, so now this is gonna be hard to explain. All right, so I just took my hair and like balled it up because I wanted a messy look. Okay, get your pins ready. All right, get your bobby pins ready. Get your hair pins and your bobby pins ready, because this is where the madness starts. I have no rhyme or reason. I really just balled my hair up. Every time you do this, it's probably gonna look different every time, the bun. Okay, so first, I just like pulled it a little bit, and I just like really, I'm pulling, I'm tucking. I want it messy. I'm like kind of balling my braids up. So I'm like trying to find a shape, right? Okay, oh, there we go. We got something. We got something we could play with. Okay, so then you're gonna like take your hairpins and start to pin it in places that you feel it needs to be held down. So that's what I'm doing. It's like trying to pin down spaghetti. I don't know. Okay, take another piece and pin it down. Pick these up, wrap it around. You're just gonna play with the shape. So I want like little pieces to fall out. So some of the braids I'm pulling out just the tail end. Like this piece I pulled too long, so I'm just gonna tuck it and make sure we got like a little string hanging out the back. Tucking it and pinning it. So say you have a piece like this and you want it to stick in, just grab another braid. A piece like this you want to stick in, grab another braid, take your bobby pin and pin those sections together like that, and it's gonna stay. You're really gonna have to be patient with yourself, okay? Really be patient and just play with your hair. It's like creating a piece of art. It's like shape shifting. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I'm taking this, folding it, pinning it. We fought today for this bun. Okay, I am good with this. I'm good with this shape right here. Don't give up. Lesson of the day. Don't give up. It's gonna work itself out. But yes, that is pretty much how I did my hair. Okay, it's giving 90s realness. It's giving what it needs to give. Let's do these little baby hairs and we are done with the style. If I did not explain that freaking if I did not explain how to pin it up correctly, trust me, believe me, I tried. Believe me when I say I tried. Okay, but we're just gonna do our baby hairs and tell people to stop coming for baby hair. Okay, leave us alone. If we want to do our baby hairs, leave us alone. Okay, baby hairs was the thing in the 90s. All right, so please. Okay, so that's all it's giving. You know, play with it, play with it. You know how they say, don't play with it, don't play with it. You're gonna want to play with it when you're doing this hair, okay? That is how I did my hair, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this how-to. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I haven't done styles on my braids in so long, so I was like happy when this came out cute the other night because I was like, oh, that's really cute. And it's gonna inspire me to try more styles with my hair. So with my braids, because I usually just always wear them down, but you know, this style is in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's very simple. Make sure you comment, subscribe, engage with me. I want to engage with you guys here on my channel. And if you're new, hi, thank you. And if you're returning, hi, I love you. Thank you for supporting me always. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.